So when we're editing our Divi sites, we're not trying to create a brand new website when there's a website already there. Basically, if there's nothing on a domain, we try to put in the WordPress, but then we build out a website using these layout packs, right? These are pre-built pages that we have access to that we can pretty much build out a site. So this is the doctor's office pack, right? And each of these pages are built, pre-built. And so when we build these out for a chiropractor, we just want to change it so it's for a chiropractor. This was originally for a doctor, and now we can change it so it's for a chiropractor. But when we have this list of sites, right, we don't want to make, take what this is and then reinstall another theme. It doesn't make sense for us to say, oh, well, this site's almost done. Let's make a brand new website on top of this domain. There's a time for a new site, right? But let's just build out what we have here and just finish it, right? We were like 90% finished on a website, and you started from the beginning. And to me, I feel like 5 hours of time could have been probably 30 minutes. And when you see something like this, all I guess I was asking for is, can you test it? Can you make sure that it's ready, right? So if I go down here and I look around and this is a button, does this work? If I click this, does it go to the right? No, it doesn't. It just refreshes the page. So you would go through and you can fix that. You go down, you check this button. Does that work? No, it doesn't. So you just go in and fix that. Does this work? Oh, it does. And it goes to where we want it to go. Okay, well, you can go through that. These buttons don't, the contact buttons don't really matter. But just making sure that all this default text, is handled, right? And then just going through the list and making sure that things are handled. So, right, like this is in Spanish, right? And that's that, right? Like this is probably 15, 30 minutes of double checking. However, let's say we get all these sites up to speed. Maybe there's some pages, some sites that just have lorem ipsum text, right? Make it your own, like invent like your own site and then just roll with it. Like if this is just lorem ipsum placeholder text, just have something there, right? It could be one sentence, right? Because when people see this, they're just going to buy it. They're not going to think, because they're going to be like, oh, I can replace that. They have to replace it, right? So after we are able to get the projects that we have underway, then we can look at any one of these and say, okay, well, whatever that you want. This one's the newest one, the cleaning company. Okay, building out 7 pages as fast as possible for us to say, hey, if you want to buy this, you can. And then I contact the 200 people that I know that do cleaning, and maybe 2 or 3 of those people might be interested, right? That's something where if I just give it to them, they're going to be the ones to edit that. If they want to pay for us to edit it and change it and make it 10 times better, they can, right? A lot of people, they don't have money, so let's just give them something quick that we have that we can just keep selling, right? The 2 websites that you built out, they look amazing, but it's been a week and we're at 3 when I did not make this point clear. You're doing really well with how the sites are designed. I think it's more so how to use the Divi builder, right? When you said you use Divi, I thought you used Divi builder. So I guess it's just a Divi theme. So the Divi builder, which you may or may not use, is what you can use to develop the sites on the page, right? That's like part of the Divi builder, part of the Divi builder thing. So because we have this plugin, right? It's a plugin. I can edit the things on the site. So I'll go and click Enable Visual Builder. And now it's going to bring up the page that I can edit. So because it says book an appointment, I can just click this cogwheel, look at the link, and maybe go to Start Care. I don't know. Whatever is the page that has the form. I don't know. This probably isn't the best page for it, but right? And just click that, and then make your changes to that page, and then just exit, and then save and exit, right? Just making sure things on a site work, I guess, is really it. Getting rid of all the lorem ipsum text and getting rid of and making sure the buttons work, right? It's just lorem ipsum and fixing buttons if you have the time. I would say, yeah, fixing the buttons and lorem ipsum, but that's it, right? Like logo, most of the sites have logos. Right, so what I'm going to do is by Friday, I'm going to list all of the sites here that are labeled for resale. I'm just going to list them up. And you're going to see that no matter what quality that you put in, people are just going to pay $200. They're not going to pay $300, $400. They're just going to pay for whatever. And if it turns out that your sites perform better, right? Maybe your sites make more than $300 on the open market, then cool, that's amazing, right? I bet they might, but what I'm going to do is list these on Friday. So as many as you can get prepared, right? Like you could look at this one, Best Orange County Dentist. Does that look finished? It looks nearly finished. It's just like this one, but it's for a dentist, right? Getting those out, getting those done is going to be a fast way for us to just get a small stream of revenue coming in. But that's it. That's all I'm asking, just to get a site that is, I'm asking for quantity, not quality. And they want to pay for quality, then there's that. I hope that helps clear things up here. You're doing well. Just we're trying to start something new that no one's doing. So I'll look forward to what's going to happen in the next few days. Thanks.